coverage of my sandwich.
Full coverage?
We're at Subway, and I was
Bueno,
Justin Davenport.
bueno, me llamo Justin Davenport con Telemundo. Y ahorita tenemos una persona que quiere hacer un...
What kind of
comida para
sandwich
mí.
do you want?
Yo quiero un club.
Excuse me, I don't know
Alright, we're here at Subway, and this is Karen,
Would y'all want to drink
and
too?
Karen's from Alabama, and she says y'all and back home.
Anyway, what kind of bread? Diner cookies?
Some cooked bread.
And that's Kelsey, aka Dirty Dog.
You're the one who told us that.
No, that was Ugly Dog, not Dirty Dog.
Ugly Dog. Oh, that's so sad.
That's not good.
I'll be a famous sandwich
I only want to
maker one
fix
day.
it. I want to fix it.
Alright, and we're gonna watch intensely as Karen puts the meat
But I
on
want double
the
meat.
12-inch sandwich. Justin is, oh, that's too close. Alright, Justin wants double meat, and we're
You found
gonna...
that funny?
No. I don't.
Alright, look at that quality sandwich.
I don't want double ham.
That's hot.
Brandon, I hate you.
No, you don't. You love me. Say it. Say, I
Come
love
back now,
you. Alright, Karen, say you love me.
What?
Say you love me.
I hate you?
No, you love me.
You ever get your oil changed in the car?
Justin, we change my oil.
Or,
We're gonna cheat.
Automatic.
alright, so this concludes our epic tale of the sandwich at Subway.